Welcome to Useful Disc. We are going to see Tamilnadu 12th Physics 1 mark question and answers. The first question is: in India, electricity is supplied for domestic use at 220 volt. It is supplied at 110 volt in USA. If the resistance of a 60 watt bulb for use in India is R, the resistance of a 60 watt bulb for use in USA will be dash. The options are R, 2R, R by 4, 3R. The correct answer is R by 4. The next question is: in a large building, there are 15 bulbs of 40 watt, 5 bulbs of 100 watt, 5 fans of 80 watt, and 1 heater of 1 kilowatts are connected. The voltage of electric mains is to 20 volt. The minimum capacity of the main fuse of the building will be dash. The options are 14A, 8A, 10A, 12A. The correct answer is 12A. The next question is: a piece of copper and another of germanium are cooled from room temperature to 80 Kelvin. The resistance of dash. The options are: each of them increases, each of them decreases, copper increases and germanium decreases, copper decreases and germanium increases. The correct answer is copper decreases and germanium increases. The next question is: in Joule's heating law, when I and T are constant, if the H is taken along the y-axis and I2 along the x-axis, the graph is dash. The options are straight line, parabola, circle, ellipse. The correct answer is straight line. The next question is: when a current I flows through a wire, the drift velocity of the electrons is v. When current I flows through another wire of the same material having double the length and area of cross-section, the drift velocity of the electrons will be. The options are 4v, 3v, v, 2v. The correct answer is v. The next question is: if the length of a wire is doubled and its cross-section is also doubled, then its resistance will. The options are become 4 times, become a quarter, becomes 2 times, remain unchanged. The correct answer is remain unchanged. The next question is: the resistivity of a wire. The options are varies with its length, varies with its mass, varies with its cross-section, does not depend on its length, cross-section and mass. The correct answer is does not depend on its length, cross-section and mass. The next question is: constantan is used for making standard resistance because it has. The options are high resistivity, low resistivity, negligible temperature coefficient of resistance, high melting point. The correct answer is negligible temperature coefficient of resistance. The next question is: Kirchhoff's two laws for electrical circuits are manifestations of the conservation of. The options are charge only, both energy and momentum, energy only, both charge and energy. The correct answer is both charge and energy. The next question is: sensitivity of a potentiometer can be increased by. The options are increasing the EMF of the cell, increasing the length of the wire, decreasing the length of the wire. None of the above. The correct answer is increasing the length of the wire. The next question is: potential gradient is defined as. The options are fall of potential per unit length of the wire, fall of potential per unit area of the wire, fall of potential between two ends of the wire. None of the above. The correct answer is fall of potential per unit length of the wire. The next question is, a galvanometer is converted into an ammeter when we connect a. The options are high resistance in series, high resistance in parallel, low resistance in series, low resistance in parallel. The correct answer is low resistance in parallel. The next question is, the reciprocal of resistance is. The options are conductance, resistivity, conductivity. None of the above. The correct answer is conductance. The next question is, a student has 10 resistors, each of resistance R. The minimum resistance that can be obtained by him using these resistors is. The options are 10R, R by 10, R by 100, R by 5. The correct answer is R by 10. The next question is, the drift velocity of electrons in a wire of radius R is proportional to. The options are R, R2, R3. None of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. The next question is, the resistance of a material increases with temperature. It is A. The options are metal, insulator, semiconductor, semi-metal. The correct answer is metal. The next question is, 5 cells, each of EMF E, are joined in parallel. The total EMF of the combination is. The options are 5E, E by 5, E, 5E by 2. The correct answer is E. The next question is, the conductivity of a superconductor is. The options are infinite, very large, very small, 0. The correct answer is infinite. The next question is, the resistance of an ideal voltmeter is. The options are 0, very low, infinite. The correct answer is infinite. The next question is, carriers of electric current in superconductors are. The options are electrons, photons, holes, phonons. The correct answer is holes. If this video is useful for you, please subscribe and share with your friends.